Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to take a moment to say, hope you're all having a good Memorial Day weekend. And here on Memorial Day, um, I hope you guys have taken a moment out of your time to stop and be thankful for the soldiers that never made it home, our fighting men and women, the fallen. So we have a lot to be thankful due to them. And I hope everybody's having a good weekend. And here on another note, less important than supporting our heroes, I end up getting a Milwaukee portable bandsaw. Traded a guy a off-road bumper for this, and then just went down to Harbor Freight and got this bandsaw stand, and just got it put together. The lock off it, but pretty nice little setup. Got a gas strut on it. Works super nice. And we got a trigger on it. And you can also take this and disconnect this here and mount this down, or fold this down and mount this to the top. You got the little foot pads here. You can mount this down. This flips down and you can use it as a vertical. So it's pretty useful. It fits the Harbor Freight brand bandsaws. It'll do DeWalt and Milwaukee. So I just got it together, tried it out. Works really nice. I'm real happy with it. You guys take care, and we'll see you soon.